Okay, sir.
This country should know that the worst government is running in Andhra Pradesh. The worst government is running in Andhra Pradesh. This particular incident, hike in the petrol and diesel, is an eye-opening for all the people of this country. Why? Because you will be under the impression that Chandrababu Naidu is having a very good experience in this governance. So he will be giving a best rule. But it's the other side of the coin, you have to see that. The other side of the coin, the prices here in Andhra Pradesh is the highest prices comparing to any other state. Even the neighboring state, Tamil Nadu, the petrol price is 10 rupees less. Our price is near about 113 rupees 50 paise. This particular price hike in 1 year is going to be count to 3,900 crores on these people of Andhra Pradesh. So we are demanding this government who are sailing with the Modi, go touch the feet of the Modi and ask them to reduce the prices. Because you have promised in your manifesto that the prices of the Andhra Pradesh are very high in the Jagan Sir government because of the VAT. The moment we come to the government, we are going to reduce the VAT, which is 35%, but you have not done that. The same 35% and more you are doing it. And road cess also you are adding another 14 rupees. So all this we demand, either you get down to the government or you reduce the prices which are now enhanced for this petrol and diesel, because this is going to affect the common man, not the rich people. If you are for the people of the poor, immediately you reduce the prices which are hiked. That's what we demand from the YSRCP party, or else Jagan Sir will be coming. Definitely he will be handling the poor people of this state. Definitely in the 2029, with bumper majorities, he will be becoming the CM, and you will be what the ideology of this government you have gone out of the path. You have taken the people away from this ideology of the government. That will be shown for you one day. Jai Jagan.
Jai Jagan. Today we have done a very innovative and eye-opening program under the leadership of Sri Vaspal Ganesh Kumar Garu, who is ex-MLA of Vizag South and in charge of YSR Congress Party of the concerned constituency. We are all aware that there was an increase in price of petrol and diesel. Due to that, what will happen? What will it affect? Means the normal essential commodity prices touching the sky. Even from small people to the middle class, poor class, everyone will be highly affected due to the increase of prices. I would like to ask Mr. Lokesh, when you were in opposition, you said a very big words that whenever we come into the power, definitely we'll bring down the petrol diesel prices. And as a witness, you took a selfie before every petrol bunk. Now it's my open challenge to Mr. Lokesh. If you have such guts, come onto the roads, go to the petrol bunk and take a selfie. Then you will know the result from the ground level of the people. So please stop words and do some action. Your government is peak in publicity and weak in reality. But today the increase of prices is nothing but backstabbing the people of Andhra Pradesh. They're literally crying. The people of Andhra Pradesh are literally crying. What is this disgusting and destructive governance? When you compare with the neighboring states, as Vaspal Ganesh Kumar Garu said, the neighboring state, Bangalore, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Hyderabad, Telangana, whatnot, name any state, the price of petrol and diesel are less than Andhra Pradesh. So pity, this is a pity, it is very pity for this government. So we demand strict and war-foot lines. You should reduce the petrol and diesel prices. If not, the people will reduce your power and make you sit in the opposition. Thank you.